Hello guys, today I'm going to make a video on Modalyst. So first off guys, what you're gonna do is just click on start for free. After doing this, you'll be redirected to this page. So right now we can continue with Wix, or we can just create our account manually. So right here we can choose if we're a retailer or a supplier. Let's say that we are a retailer. Let's enter our email address, our password, our business name. Let's say that is NetTech, and now we can say that we reside in let's choose Bulgaria. Now where have you create your e-commerce store? Let's say Shopify, and after that just click on sign in. Now we just wait for a second and we're in the whole app. So this is the main menu. Here we can see that there's a like a spot that says find products to sell on your store. Here we can do these tasks to just finish up our account, but for now I won't do them. I'll just make a beginner tutorial for you guys, just show you around and try to make it easy for you. So here guys, here's after scrolling a little bit, we can see that from the start there, the drop shipping is here, ready to sell, find thousands of exclusive products and offer fast shipping. So after clicking on this, we can see that we're being redirected to this page. In this page we can see that in AliExpress, the joint up home gym bodybuilding equipment, fixed black dumbbell, 6 rubber dumbbell weight for fitness barbell is usually from $21 to $138, and the retail price can be from $42 to $276. From this we can make almost the half of the thing that we have actually bought to just drop ship it, and this is a great deal for you guys. So you get more than 50% of not more, but around 50% of the price. We can also have a print on demand product, like if someone wants to make a phone case with the image of, let's say, their dog, they can do that. They're just going to enter the image and you're going to text them appropriately. So here we can sell beauty things like perfumes, makeup and other things. We can sell CBD, we can sell things with Alibaba, and there's an integration with AliExpress. Now here is the home market. So here we can find products, like if you're interested in your store being in the fitness and gym area, you can just enter our gym equipment, and here, okay, let's just say gym. Here we'll get a tote with adjustable handle, classic tote bag, but I don't think that's the thing that thing that we wanted. Okay, let's ready to sell, I guess. Yeah, print on demand wasn't the thing I wanted to show you. So the print on demand thing is the thing I just told you about. So print on demand, so it's just a plastic water bottle, but they just put whatever they want on the bottle, and they just pay you more for that. And that is really it, the print on demand method. So you can just buy this Versace Eros Eau de Toilette for $55 to $76, and you can sell it from $78 to $108. That's the retail price, guys. You can sell it for cheaper, you can sell it for more, guys. Just it's about your principles and everything. If you'd like to be cheaper, you can make it. If you'd like it to be more expensive, you can make it also. So here, guys, we can see what things ship and don't ship to Bulgaria. We can see that these things do not ship to Bulgaria, but this Minch keto gummies ship to Bulgaria, and also this funny dragon bookmark duplicate also ships to Bulgaria. This also ships in 3 to 4 business days, but it's for $14. We also can see that this ships, this also ships, and more of the things that are included in the page ship, but it's just about luck, guys, I guess, and about in what sphere are you going to focus on. Like if we type gym right here, I guess there will be many things like this gym fitness equipment home for from Alibaba. We can get it for $310, and we can sell it for $930. That's the retail price. So we are going to get the double of the amount we spent on. And yeah, guys, that's just it. Let me show you the pricing plan, but on this platform. I'm sorry, just wait a second. Please give me a brief second. We'll just wait for a second, and here is it. Dropshipping software pricing. So there are 3 plans right now, guys. There's the hobby plan, the startup plan, which is the most popular one, and there's the pro plan. So we can see that there is an option to pay monthly or yearly. We can see that if you want to pay yearly, it will be much cheaper than to pay monthly. So annually I meant is 20% cheaper, or up to 25%. Then the monthly, you can see, guys, you can see that the pro version goes from $90 per month to $67 per month, but you pay it annually. And yeah, guys, we can see that just with every plan there's a product limit. So in the hobby plan, which is the free one, we can only just set to 25 products. With the startup plan, we can set 250 products, and the pro, we can set unlimited product limits. And we also get these perks right here, guys. And yes, that was it for the video. I hope that you have enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.